How to search filters on Instagram in this video. I'm going to show you how to search filters when posting a story or a reel. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel, because that really helps me out. So I'll go ahead and select the plus symbol in the bottom menu of Instagram, and we'll first show you how to search filters if you're creating a reel, and I'll just use camera. All we need to do is in the left menu select effects. You'll then see this menu pop up. Simply select the search icon all the way to the left with the top menu. Then you can search the filters and any of these that you want to. Now, if you are making a story and you want to search filters, it's a little bit different. All we need to do is make sure that it says story in the bottom and then scroll the filters all the way to the right. You may need to go pretty far. And if you go all the way to the right, you'll see browse filters select, that then just use the search icon again, and you can search all the filters for your stories, select one, and that'll be the filter under story, all right? So that's how you search filters on Instagram.